Working from home, why laptops should not replace desktops. There are many people who are using laptops when working from home for extended period of time. This could be several weeks, months, or even longer. Laptops were always meant to be portable devices to carry with you on the move. So they were built light and small. And they were not meant to be used for a long-time basis in the house. You could carry them to a client's premises, use it for presentation, stuff like that. For this reason, it's better to use a desktop when working from home. You can convert a laptop to desktop by buying a monitor and an HDMI cable to connect the two. Both the laptop and the monitor screen must have an HDMI port, just that it's a connection slot that should be on the laptop and on the desktop monitor. The 3 points I would like to make is, you have to keep your back and shoulders upright at all times. And that includes your neck as well. Do not bend over. Second, do not strain your eyes to read the small print on a laptop screen. This is the reason for having a desktop which has a wider and larger screen. Third, keep the desktop monitor in a fixed location, and it should be at eye level with you sitting comfortably. Also, you'll realize that if you use a mouse, it's going to be much better for your hands as well.